Moving into our next award, which is in the education space, and that is Excellence in Pioneering Progressive School Education. And the winner is...
Indian Public School Sambalpur stands as a benchmark in progressive residential education, redefining excellence through vision, discipline and innovation. Under the dynamic leadership of Chairperson Mrs. Suman Dalmia, the school has built an ecosystem where learning extends beyond classrooms to character, confidence and leadership. With future-ready pedagogy, world-class residential infrastructure and a strong values-driven culture, the institution consistently nurtures well-rounded global citizens. This recognition celebrates Indian public schools' commitment to holistic development, academic distinction and transformative education, shaping tomorrow's leaders with purpose and integrity.
Congratulations to Indian Public School Sambalpur, requesting Mrs. Suman Dalmia, the chairperson of Indian Public School, to come up on stage and collect the award. Everybody, let's hear a round of applause for Indian Public School. Congratulations to Indian Public School Sambalpur.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have two powerful women with us right now and a child prodigy. We have Mrs. Suman Dalmia, the founder of Indian Public School and the managing director of Indian Public School as well.
Anuradha Dalmia.
Anuradha Dalmia and her daughter
Anvi Vishesh Agrawal.
Anvi Vishesh Agrawal, and she is a holder of 2 Guinness World Records right now, and she has a lot of achievements at such a tender age. Ma'am, the first question I would like to ask you, it's been 20 years you have been in this education industry, and you actually, got into pioneering progressive school education. So what was the first thing that came into your mind, and how did you get this idea?
I get this idea when I went to Masuri International School, where my daughters were studying. I got the idea to open a school, and from that day I decided to open a good school for the children of Odisha.
So 20 years back, it's very difficult to comprehend that in Western Odisha it is very difficult to find a private school.
Yes.
But your school is a private school.
Yes.
What do you have to say about this?
So we were like, mom was a risk taker. She was the first one to get the first private school of Western Odisha. And that school had like so many facilities. It was totally like an eye candy for the children who were coming in. Beautiful infrastructure, sports facilities like no other schools, music, everything was taken care of. And even now, mom has got the same vision. And now we are entering the Eastern Odisha, and we'll be coming up with a school here as well.
Oh wow, lovely. So that is the news for all of us, that they are coming up with a school. So we have a child prodigy with us as well. She must be studying in the same school.
Yeah.
So how are your experience studying in the school?
Okay, little Harper, tell, how was your experience?
It was nice, but now I grew to others.
Alright, so now that they are coming up with a new school in Bhubaneswar, are you planning to shift to this place?
Yeah, because the school which Mama put it for now is like other school. After that, I'm planning to come to the new school.
After that, you're planning to come to the new school. So we are going to get this child prodigy here in Bhubaneswar, and you are going to see her every now and then. Thank you so much for coming and joining. Congratulations to both of you once again.